What happens in the brain when we ask a question? When we ask a question, it triggers a complex process in our brain that helps us to learn and retain information. Let's take a closer look at the physiology of asking a question. When we ask a question, the brain's prefrontal cortex becomes activated. This is the part of the brain that is responsible for decision-making, planning, and working memory. According to a study published in the journal Nature Neuroscience, asking questions engages the prefrontal cortex and enhances our ability to learn new information. Asking a question also activates the brain's reward system. When we ask a question and receive an answer, our brain releases dopamine, which is associated with pleasure and reward. This creates a positive association with asking questions and motivates us to continue learning. A study published in the journal PLOS One found that curiosity and the desire to ask questions activates the reward system in the brain. Furthermore, asking questions stimulates the brain's curiosity network. This network includes the hippocampus, which is responsible for memory and spatial navigation, and the amygdala, which is involved in processing emotions. According to a study published in the journal Neuron, when we ask questions, the curiosity network is activated, which enhances our ability to remember information. Interestingly, research has also found that asking questions can improve social interactions and empathy. When we ask questions and actively listen to the responses, we become more engaged in the conversation and more empathetic towards others. A study published in the journal Psychological Science found that asking questions leads to more positive social interactions. In summary, asking questions triggers a complex process in our brain that enhances our ability to learn, retain information, and engage in positive social interactions. It activates the prefrontal cortex, reward system, curiosity network, and can even improve empathy. So, don't be afraid to ask questions and keep your brain engaged in the learning process.